Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to create directory and how to remove directory in Linux file system. And this is the commands you need to use to create and to remove directory in Linux file system. Let us do it practically. You can see I'm in the terminal. Let me check where I am. I'm in home and mkdir. Let me check if there is any file exist. You can see there is a test folders exist. Okay, so let me create a directory or folder. This is the command we need to type: mkdirectory, mkdir, and the folder name. Let me do it abc. Okay, you can list it. You can see there's a abc folder is there, abc directory is there. Okay, so if I need to create more directory, then what I need to do, I need to type mk directory abc1, abc2, abc3. Okay, you can see ls and you can see abc1, abc1, abc2 and abc3. If I need to create a directory inside abc, what I need to do, make directory abc slash test1. Okay, if you want to list a directory, this is the command to check it recursively. You can see I have this 5 directory: abc, abc1, abc2, abc3 and test. Under abc the test directory is there. Okay, and under abc1, abc2 and abc3 there is nothing. Okay, so let me delete this abc1. How to do that? Rm directory abc1. Let me list it. You can see it's deleted. So this is a command to delete the directory. Let me delete this abc. Rm directory abc. You can see there's an error. Okay, so why it is error? You can see under abc there is one folder, there's another directory. So if we need to delete the nested directory, so we need to type rm-rf abc. Okay, you can see it, abc is deleted now. So the points to be remember, if you need to delete a nested directory, then you need to type rm, then rf, then the directory name. Okay, so let me delete all. Rm, if I need to delete this abc2, abc3 and test, then what I need to do, I need to type star. You can see everything is deleted. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me create multiple directory. mk directory 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can see 1 2 3 3 4 5 7 8 9. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me create a nested directory. What I need to do, I need to type this -v abc, abc1, abc2, abc3. Let me list it. You can see this is 1 2 3 4 7 8 9. This is the 3 directory and abc is the separate directory, and under abc there's a nested directory under ABC. ABC1 is there, and ABC2 is there, and ABC3 is there. So this is the nested form. Okay, under ABC there is ABC1, then ABC2, and then ABC3. Let me clear it and let me do ls again. So what I need to do, I need to delete the last directory under ABC. Let me do ls-r. You can say I need to delete this one. So what I need to do, I need to type rm-r or rf. Then you need to type ABC, then ABC1, ABC2, and ABC3. Let me check. You can see, let me do rm-r. You can see ABC3 is deleted, ABC3 is deleted. Okay, there is no more ABC3. Similar way, if we need to delete ABC2, then we need to do that rm-rf, ABC, ABC1, ABC2. You can see ABC2 will be deleted. rm-rf, you can see ABC2 is deleted. Okay, so again, if I need to delete all things, ABC1, ABC2, and ABC3, then you need to type rm-rf, then ABC, all it is. Okay, you can see the ABC is deleted. Okay, so if I need to delete all, then I already discussed rm directory, then start, all things will be deleted. Okay, so this is how you can create directory with mkdir command. You can delete the directory if it is not nested. The command is rm directory, and if you want to create a directory in the nested way, then you need to type mkdir -p. Okay, this is a command you need to type. And if you need to delete the nested directory, then rm-rf. Okay, so this commands you need to remember: make directory, rm directory, make directory -p, and rm-rf. So you need to be careful to hit rm-rf in the production environment. You need to check again and again before doing it. Okay, and along with this, you need to know ls-r. Okay, so this is the command also you need to know. So guys, this is all about make directory, rm directory, and rm. If you like my video, then you can subscribe it. Thank you.